exhausts. Arguably the best mod you can do to a car. They make the driving experience that much better. So you clicked on this video. I'm not gonna yap. This is the GReddy EVO GT for my BRZ. I'm going to be brutally honest about this exhaust. Loudness, I would say it's a 5 out of 10. It's honestly not that loud at all, but it makes up for it, and it's deep, aggressive tone. If you're looking for a loud exhaust, this is not it. Drone. It does drone at higher RPMs. I think with any exhaust, you're gonna get drone. I would say it's about a 7 out of 10 because it does drone quite a bit. I'm just more sensitive to drone, so maybe you won't find it that bad, but it does drone. Next up, fitment. Fitment, 9 out of 10. It's honestly perfect. It looks good. The only issue is if you're running a stock mid-pipe, you need to get the 2.5 to 3 inch adapter. And lastly, like I said, the tone is just, I would say the tone of the exhaust, the way it sounds, 8 out of 10. It's a nice deep rumble. Anyways, that's my review for this exhaust. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.